Yeah, you're a good bird. What you doing? What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Huh? You're a good bird. You're a good bird. You love to be talked to. 'Cause you're a good bird. Yes, you are. You're a good bird. Yeah. Animals love to be talked to. People should talk to their animals more, huh? You're a good bird. What you doing? Let you know you're alive, huh? Let you know you're alive, huh? And that you're worth it, huh? You're alive and you're worth it. And then you like to play. You like to play. You're a player. Yes, you are. You're a player. You like to play. Peru likes to play, likes to wrestle, likes to be on his back, likes to have his tummy rubbed. Yeah, you like to have your tummy rubbed. What you doing, huh? What you doing, huh? You're a player. Animals need play. Animals are just little kids. Just little spirits like us, basically. You're a player. Yeah, uh-huh. Yep. You're one of Abba's critters. Yeah, you are. You know it. You know it. You like to play. You're a good bird. You're a good bird. Anybody who has pets out there needs to take time out of their day, spend time with their pets. Yep, and then they have good pets. Good little spirits running around. You're a good bird.